I bet this video, man, I the share, man, the share. This one a message to Frank Victor again. This message now for Frank Victor. Man, the share that Mugu see this. He see this message because you know if you come out, Frank Victor, may you say na Prophet Atiti, you want to kill the career. You understand what I tell you, Frank Victor? So I don't tell Prophet Atiti say may stay clear from you. That is an apply day. I don't tell Prophet Atiti say stay.
Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
I bet this video, man, I the share, man, the share. This one a message to Frank Victor again. This message now for Frank Victor. Man, the share that Mugu see this. He see this message because you know if you come out, Frank Victor, may you say na Prophet Atiti, you want to kill the career. You understand what I tell you, Frank Victor? So I don't tell Prophet Atiti say may stay clear from you. That is an apply day. I don't tell Prophet Atiti say stay clear for Frank Victor. This guy don't want hear. You don't want hear. Ma start now. Prophet Atiti, when you prophet mehi, moguwe guana Prophet Atiti. Itama we buena we e Frank Victor unsus no ibege the spiritual re. Amwe meni riane. Prophet Atiti, itama we ibege meni the spiritual re. E amwe e Frank riane, awe ne vason, amwe Frank riane. Ubege we ohonu wabe gai na. No re London wabe gai. Frank wabe muladian do ayi sorti na. Because obege ne we uhia buy a single life ire. Obege ne we no man decide we. If Frank na ladian also ayi sorti again. Okay, we get nya with Frankie. Asaboro wo yan ti di ge abi asaboro asaboro with Frankie no na Frankie me video pa ni wa send the government Frankie wa kalo ne wa ti. We get nya with Frankie. Prophet Atiti, you know what wetin dey solve so. It isn't a play. Prophet Atiti, I don't even want you say leave Frank this, give Frank chance. That guy na evil person. You know why here? Prophet Atiti, I don't even say leave Frank alone. You know why here? Prophet Atiti, the prince of Guegua. Prophet Atiti, the prince of Guegua. When it turn on. Et donc plus au gouvernement il kata mawe c'est mena et Frank Victor ou rien menita Prophet Atiti ou rien menita ti Frank Victor boué problème né when it turn on Prophet Atiti ou rien menita ita mawe c'est et Frank Victor c'est Frank Victor ou susu non ou Frank Victor ni mawe ze no gbo e Frank je yi ma eze no gbu e we wo lo efe Frankie eze we eze na lo e pa we eze na Frank ma we say eze na ni meje na all lo e pa because you are a very useless animal we eze na Frank we eze na all lo e no atase we wa defi eze no atase imagine a Prophet Atiti na obere no life single life ire obere we single life in elele na no be better life. Ekato, God bless you my brother. A Prophet Atiti ni life in ye live na only a life in other way a single life in make sense. Obere we guy of the time no guy yo wo. A Frankie wala dey do insulted the woman. Or I wo say where a Prophet Atiti who we take one insulted again na a Frank. Where can Atiti we gwegun? Where Tiatin will go on, where guess one is sort again. Eh, Frank. Frank, who guess one is sort again. Where Tiatin will go on. Eh, Frank. Who guess one is sort Asaboro, the London. You know, call it say this guy one is sort. Who while the live video, anybody you can insult anybody you see, Frank. You can insult anybody you see. You think nobody will talk to you. You think nobody will ask you. Frank, hey, spiritual ho-ho. All that day you want some spiritual ho-ho. When you turn on spiritual ho-ho, now when you want to Prophet Atiti, you want to agnoria. You want to spoil that poor man. You want to spoil his brain. Go here now. We are here now. We sagalele ya. No. Ever hear you complain? What matter table no ho. A man in I kaba we vai table no ho. Beg agbo the men here. Only you want. Now they insult women. No. They don't have that joy. Say Prophet Atiti don't join you. They insult women. Prophet Atiti, if you see message, not they played my message. Oh, you understand me, so Prophet Atiti. I don't even want you say Frank is not your friend. You don't hear me? I don't even want you, Prophet Atiti. Say Frank is not your friend. I want to talk to you. They don't spoil Frank for spiritual rain. Prophet Atiti, they don't spoil Frank for spiritual rain. I'm wearing an Emma Coco Tiebole Frank or affected Frank. Prophet Atiti, when Metabu now, Abu American prophet, maybe he. You know, say me now, your prophet. And they tell you something Atiti, they take. Not they saga people again. Leave some people alone. May you start better life, Prophet Atiti. You know my personal person. Frank, they use you, they do rubbish. Frank, they use you, they do rubbish. Okay, imagine now. See, woman where you see now. Where be say your spirit just see the catch the woman. You never know how tomorrow will be now. Frank, they disgrace the girl, say the girl not get document. Even you never get document. You see what if Frank they talk about that video? So if I tell you, say Frank, they possess. More they believe me. Frank is possessed. Anybody when they talk to Frank, you know they waste time. Frank is spiritually possessed. Now they hear me so? Frank is spiritually possessed. For real, see if una feel say what they talk, I don't make sense, or I don't know what they talk. Una go see with time. Frank is possessed. Frank is spiritually possessed. Imagine only you go friend woman for us, you go for cat, wait for cat, talk about live video. Small big go to that catty. On my money here with Ben Weuni. Okay, now of your attitude me no be like of a guy why we like the live video, why we renew yari why we condemn me why condemn me okay they get in where I'm here que we attitude na. They get in where I'm here from Victor where they carry attitude drag attitude a devilish level here. Atiti, you be man, you not be woman or Atiti, you be man. You senior Frank. You senior Frank, Atiti. Frank not even gonna use your hair like a momo. Prophet Atiti, you hear they tell you so. You senior Frank. The way Frank they use you, are they shame. Are they shame. You don't know what tomorrow want to talk. Whether that girl will come fall in love with you now, you don't know. Now, Prophet Frank, you come out, they saw the girl. I put my bad video on the Frank, you saw Asaboro. When me Frank Atiti, when me a video the Frank yan sort Asaboro. When me bury the video. May you see the way Frank they saw that girl. Say the girl don't get paper. You not get paper. Who want marry that kind of for her? Frank, you show out your girlfriend. Most see whether it fair pass that girl. Frank, show out your girlfriend. When my girlfriend do well at Jane, we are bury. Tomo say Asaboro. Asaboro or any so again or zebo so or ze don't know when we girlfriend Frank. You get girlfriend? Frank, you get girlfriend, you get girlfriend. You get girlfriend, Frank, you get girlfriend. Yes now, Frank they saw the lady now. Never see the video where Frank they saw the lady. When I go watch her now, Frank they saw that lady, which is not the best. Okay, now the lady come out now. You see they suggest whether I go like the man or you see the baby, the girl they try they suggest. Frank don't they see and say, Atiti want come out for single life. Atiti want better, he must enter better life. Frank they find way want for destroy Atiti finish. Because a man Atiti don't see your bad saga minister. Your bad saga don't your bad table ni ko. Your bad table na. A man your bad So all no see Atiti lelegbe. Atiti na the last video what they do for your matter be this. Atiti now the last video what they do for your matter be this. If you like you take, if you like not take. Now the last video now maybe young prophet Don Prince. Okay, don't worry, my brother. Ike ladian. E no dey ladian. Now you need to be Frank spirit. E Frank e kenuri aje. Enikawa have your born when no attach even you see do koto. When you ya this top do. When you ya this top do Frank. Enikawa see we koto. Now go when na. Avielele we be my own personal person. One of us want saga have no gear. Now you are post a video ge. Avielele we be my own personal person. Now we have a real wish you ya we so that no make na saga we go we have no gear. Wa pushing ya ni asaga egbin yan. Ya go avielele na my person. Ya yin no drop matin. Ya yin avielele no drop matter no give avu go. Ekwe amuwe Frank, ekwe amuwe. Ekwe amuwe Frank. Even na test ekwe amuwe. Ya yin avielele no try no drop a matter ogave a no give a Frank. Ekwe mani viedo. Enwenwe mahaya asaga egbin man. Mani viedo. Enwenwe mahaya asaga egbin man we be bini. We know the saga ourselves any again because why? Frank, as you they possess, that's how your pa, your mother they possess, that's how your family they possess. All of them will start to they possess, they will possess till they die, till they confess. The Frankie waladian, who was one insulted, who was say well no. Oh no, Frank, Atitina gele also well. If Atitina is your friend, Frank, now before you start to the insult Asaboro, now your duty to call Atiti, or now you Atiti got a planner. Oh, now you Atiti got a plan when they insult Asaboro. I know say Atiti not follow plan these things. Yeah. Atiti wa roge here we are here ozuo. We don't hear here ozuo. Eh? Atiti can never join you plan these things. Similar like the insult person where you go bathroom for. Person where they crush for. Person where Atiti they crush for. Atiti go say okay now. Eh? We want to know the reason eh? You know you get the way the matter be now. Eh? You get the way the matter be where be say you come mad. They insult Asaboro. What did Asaboro do you? What did Asaboro do you? What did the poor lady do you? That woman, and they watch her video, she know they insult person, she they do her whole thing majestically. You hear me so? She they do her whole thing majestically. Okay, now you come out from nowhere, Frank. Now Asaboro, you want the insult. Now Asaboro, now you don't they pay you now, say you want Atiti don't they gain more level. Prophet Atiti. Alerun baba. Alerun. Prophet Atiti. O sedan ya ni regbo no sabo agbele ya kwa life we. Prophet Atiti. Tra ede agbe alerun. Uwe area ya no roba o se ya no ya o se area ya no we. No sabo agbele ya yourself that worry. Because Frank is never your friend. Frank is never your friend. Okay, since then now Frank never give friend one better woman, may give you, may you take day. Now only you man search for better woman when you visit take day. Now Frank come out with live video, they saw that woman. That one are your friend. Atiti, that one are your friend. Or see when you hear. Atiti, are they shame for you, eh? For real, are they shame? When be say, oh you, small pikin, what can they use your head? Who be Frank? Eh? Frank will be small pikin, will be say never get sense. Frank will not get sense. Common sense Frank no get. I dey observe how it is way. He dey behave like the person who never even 30 years. Frank dey behave like who never even reach 30 years. Now let you go fuck woman. The way you take fuck woman, start to talk about live video. Eh? Imagine the kind girl wey want fresh Frank. Imagine the kind woman wey want date Frank. That woman, I go to Sagara. The woman wey want date Frank, I go to Saga that woman. Imagine. You come out, they come out, you call a zoo for social media all the time. Oh, no, c'est problème, il vient d'eau, oh, c'est problème, c'est problème, they get in the room, Frank. Il vient go, où tu es bon, il y a, so I watch la vidéo, Frank, comment tu es bon, il vient go, pas pour il vient d'eau, nous t'es bon, les azars en a bijoué. Les azars en a bijoué, Frank, il y a oui joué, oh, roule là, Emi no je, emi me yakwe bodo. Emi ni jouer je Frank, emi me yakwe, emi ni raje, emi me yakwe, emi ni aje. Agbiwe yan bodo because we want na webo. Eri wa be o wa o tena. Uo na webo. Everyone the whole world tena Frank Victor. You say about Obaze don't collect money for the name of foundation. About when I offer leave that one. Not say I say that one for street. I don't want to talk about that boy again. I don't want to make sure in name. About when I don't leave that one don't they colo. So if you now see this word today, anybody if you say they disturb person you make they plan your own. You tell me the vengeance of God will take entire your life. About when I go see the kind of disgrace you want disgrace about to try to come. When I they wash. But when I leave, I may go put foundation or may do anything you like. When I leave a bat, as I say, they feel say they destroy people, may take go put you. I never ready for a bat. Now from Victor, you're the disguagua now from Victor, because from Victor, he they make sure say he's poor attitude life. I will never agree. Attitude, I will never agree. If from Victor niemu agmoria, and me beg from attitude, we beg. And me beg, who beg. When metana eni me bere ou bere Frank Victor eni me atiti eni me bere ou bere wetin they see you know they see am for real. Imagine Asaboro will never do Frank anything. Frank your command they insult that girl, they talk rubbish against that girl. The thing pay me as they send me the video and I say atiti make nori atiti meno yaku atiti umenu yaku ubawa check Frank na say oh we do no we do very because any pity ni we do at all. If they insult Benin people, never they think can say oh we do no we do meti banana. How many Igbo people they can't do saga? How many Igbo people they insult their own people? If you do ya di marry Igbo, how many of them do not say that they carry Igbo matter they cocked off for that video? All the Benin people will marry Igbo. How many of you now they see say if they come live video, come talk about Igbo people? Now they see now let Benin people they carry Benin people matter they come live video. Now let Benin people will carry Benin people matter come live video. How many Igbo they try? How many Igbo they try? Now when they marry Igbo, all the Benin people they marry Igbo. How many of you Igbo people now they bring the matter come out? All these live video presenter where they marry Igbo. Now never see say they carry Igbo matter or Kokobri matter carry live video apart from Benin matter. Mona check some of our people who marry this Kokobiri or we marry Igbo for us, we be live video presenter. How many of them they carry those people matter? Say okay, let's talk about those people matter. Say Igbo people, some of them, if they marry our Benin girls, they'll pretend say they love them, which they don't love them. After so many years, they go dump the Benin girl, go marry for Igbo land. All the name of say they say that their tradition. They need to marry for us. How many people don't bring that matter come out one day? Say this thing way that they turn our guests to for Europe, it's not good. When we say some Igbo people, they go marry our guests, both children, they never care. It get where they reach, they'll dump all those our women, our Benin girls, they'll dump them. All the name of say they're not gonna get character again. Now the fresh one, where they Igbo land, where be say, you never know how they take suffer, make the money, they'll come up pack your money, that one they enjoy, that one call lawyer, does not that one good pass. They'll come say that one have good pass. Where be say, the one we follow the suffer for Europe, suffer. Later after many years, they'll say not get character. You will never see our presenter when those matter come out. When they come talk, you will never see our presenter talking about those matter. You will never see them talking about those matter. Go to every part of the Europe, you will see so many children that bear Igbo names. Igbo names, no father. They are looking for their father. They can never find their father. Nobody will bring it out. Frank Victor will never bring it out. They will not bring it out except to be fully Benin people. Atiti, this is not my last video. What they do for your matter. He gave my power in the insult. My power in the insult. Ajebo. I don't tell you, say, leave Ajebo matter, Frank Atiti. Say, no matter Ajebo na my pa, na my bro. You understand me? Say, matter, Frank carry all your way at table, Atiti. All your way at table, Ajebo table, no, any magba from Atiti. Any magba, Emmanuel Yobon, people that can help you tomorrow. Umae walele Frank Victor do awe nonsense. Walele Frank Victor we nonsense. Frank Victor no frustrating no mo no. Negi me monopause. No ime monopause. O no ime monopause. Frank Victor mu yowa. Atiti we osabe Frankina. woman wey be say don't get monoport. Oyibo 68 years old. Not be Frank put for us. Oyibo 68 years old. Now Frank put for us. So now attitude they look for better responsible woman. When you go they bring his memory down. When you go they calm his BP down. Frank go come out they saw that woman. Prophet Atiti, I dey shame, eh? I dey shame. This message, I can't use to advise you. They use sense they follow Frank. How many times I tell you? They use sense they follow Frank. Even uwebu we yaje, uwebu darkness. Oh yaje, bro. Uwebu nu yaje, uwebu rita, yore, lolo, ayemi udan. Avec uwebu ne natiti yaje. Atiti, evane ne se worry. Ewe ya support atiti. Evane se worry. Evane se worry. Gerita, no be the different fathers, different countries. You don't have feelings of a man. When I go on, I am moving kokobirino zua. Neme gbelewebo. I am you wa. No make na luere. Ona kele amo me level. Emo vie dono enegbe yowa. Emove dono enegbe yowa. Ge lolo zua. Ge ovigbo no mu yowa. E lolo ori amu emu ni ya. E lolo ori amu emu. Ovi abriba no mu yowa. Abriba ne lolo mu yowa. Ori amu emu ya. We am abriba gi ben. All give different shape. Why ben abriba give a different shape. Abi yore waka, yore odogu no mu yowa, odogu je na ibe ya diebe ni wa ge menye na katu. When they look odogu, when I look a picture, we may come out. It be like all those egbeweja where they follow we yeah na egbeweja where na we oh na criminal face up ya ni mo ajagbo. No we odogu no lili yore. Why beg every pretender people? Why beg ya? Every when I see Odogu, when I bring a real picture, come on, when I look Odogu, it be like cartoon. It be like cartoon where be say they want go fight war. Odogu be like cartoon. You know the observer, very grab. If you look the way it take grab, I grab. I mean, where to get? You know they look Odogu picture. What do I be here to show? What do I give you the shotro? If you don't, we never bring this matter hard way. If you go, we rest like shotro. Forget it, we have a hustle. Fair, or many are working here. Everybody get ready to do their shotro. If you go, when they don't collect their passport for our woman, have finished. That's another shotro. If Igbo people don't collect their passport for our woman, finish. That their shotro be that one. Forget say Igbo people not they chop our guest money. But that their passport, when they collect for their hand, after they don't collect that passport, they'll come push it away. That one not like. Now that one don't priest not like. You know if you deal with woman for many years, you don't collect passport for your hand, you come push her away. Now that one not like. Now that one don't priest not like. You know if you collect passport for our guest hand, you come dump the away. You come go marry small pikin for your village. See that one I call good pass, which is not the best. See my people, God bless all of you now. If they hear me so, God bless all of you now. But those people when they do evil, I will continue to come out for them. Those people when they do evil, when they try to bring Benin people down, you can never bring Benin people down. As far as I see their life. You understand me so? And they use a bad parable given now. Benin people lack respect. Benin people, we love respect. We love what is called respect. If our wife they respect us, we will never cheat. We never want to treat her bad. If we marry a woman, the woman they respect us, we don't go treat that woman bad because we love respect. This is our tradition. Your culture, Benin people for you. We love respect. Frank Victor, you come out. Cause the disguagua Benin people. Even Atiti where he say that he friend. Atiti now we see woman where they say they crush over. Atiti, he better who crush her. Asaboro. You the crusher. If you like it. If you no make an agba. If you but the Frankie Laja do I sort again. Your magbana. When they get in Moses say, a Frankie do I sort oh my you are. Oh my you are. I bet more stop all this mumu character what they do, eh? More stop her. We need to stop her. Fena, stop. We don't need to bring ourselves down. More than the shame. We don't need to bring ourselves down. Promote ourselves. Promote the culture of Benin. Promote Benin. Promote Benin. Never bring Benin people down. Promote them. These are ancestor children. Now we be ancestor children. So anybody when they bring us down, the person will die. Anybody at all when they bring us down, that person will never know peace. He will never know peace in the morning. He will never know peace in the evening. He will never know peace in the night. If they bring us out all the time, they call food Benin people for your platform, you will never know peace. You will speak Benin and bring Benin people down. You will never know peace. You will never know peace. If you are doing those things, you will never know peace. If you are in that category, speaking Benin, just to bring Benin people down, you will never know peace in your life. You will never know peace. Anywhere you are watching, I don't know where you are watching me, and you are trying to bring the Benin people down, the great Benin people, you are trying to bring them down. You will die like a fowl. That is my message for you this morning. Thank you.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully